Hello, I'm Chad Doering from UF Housing. I'm here to provide a few tips on the hurricane preparedness. Our facilities here are designated shelters in the event of a major hurricane or tropical storm. We encourage our residents to be self-sufficient and stock hurricane preparedness items such as flashlights, food, water, and medicine. Move all personal belongings away from windows. Keep your windows closed at all times. Keep the blinds open. Move any valuables off the floor and away from the windows, including your computers and clothing. And we encourage you to park your car in a parking garage if available. Throughout the storm, we encourage you to stay inside and please stay away from windows and doors. Our staff will be by to check on you and the buildings once it is safe to do so. We have created a special webpage to help you prepare. Please visit housing.ufl.edu/hurricane. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your RA, CA, or area coordinator. Stay safe and go Gators.